What's up, TV Crew? It's your man Braxton.
And it's Lady Tia.
And we are back together. Last week I was without her. Yes. And you guys saw me being crazy and being vegan.
Yeah. And I will insert a clip. He got here on Monday. So I will insert a clip of me giving him a Just Because gift.
Mm-hmm. It was very special. Yes.
So you can watch it right now. Look who it is. He's here.
But right now we have some late night cravings and we don't feel like leaving to go get them. So we're just gonna make our own.
We're about to bake some cookies.
Yep.
But we're gonna do it a little bit different, y'all.
I got a good feeling about this. I like this video. I just get to sit and tell her what to do. So let's get started. It tells me to pour the cookie mix in to the bowl. Ooh, it smells so good and peanut buttery. Get it all in there. And then it wants me to pour in the oil, 3 tablespoons of oil, right here next to the bowl. And it wants me to do 3 of them. There. It was tight. One. Two. And 3. There we go. 3 tablespoons of oil. And I need 1 tablespoon of water. Whew. Yep, I'm just gonna pour that in there. There we go. All right. I need to crack 1 egg in here. So I'm gonna take this egg and I'm gonna open this thing up. Watch me do it without looking. Ooh, did y'all see that? I'm good. And then I need to get a spoon and mix it all together. Well, we could just use our hands, honestly. So I'm just gonna get my hands in here and mix it all up. And I'm just gonna grind it real good. Ooh, yeah. Okay, it's not working too well, so I'm gonna get a spoon. Let me wash my hands first. Let me see how it tastes. That tastes pretty good. Hopefully I don't get salmonella. So let me wash my hands. And I got a napkin right in front of me so I can dry off. Yep. So now I'm gonna go grab myself a spoon. Got my spoon. Now it's time to mix. Ooh, yeah. And I'm just gonna keep mixing this up. Ooh, doesn't that look nice? So now it wants me to shape the dough into balls. Yeah, I'm gonna just clean up after myself. I'm gonna get this spoon. I don't need any of that stuff. Oh, I'll pick that up later. All right, here we go. So really what I'm doing right now, you guys, is I'm just rolling this. And then once I put it on my pan, then I'm just gonna flatten it perfectly. And we're just gonna place that nice and gently. So I'm gonna go ahead and make all these balls and let you guys see it once we're done. All right, so I put these balls down. I'm working on my last one now. So, how do they look? Let's show them. I'm gonna show you guys how they look. Those look good. Let's get them in the oven. Wait, is that what's next? We're gonna bake them for about 9 minutes because I like them gooey. So let's do this. We'll see you guys soon. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All right, here they are. They kind of came a little bit together, but they look and smell delicious. Ooh, I can't wait to try it. Ooh, I love when it just falls apart. It's so ooey and gooey. Look, you guys. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, that's delicious. I want the other one. That is just so good. I'm gonna have to make some more because that is amazing. Woo! There's another piece right there. Let me have that one. I want all of it. Oh, that is delicious. It just fills up my tummy. It makes me feel good. What are you doing?
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try it though.
These are exactly how I like my cookies. I like them ooey and gooey like that, where they just fall apart.
So, you make me need milk.
We have a special guest. Someone came to join me.
Wassup TV Crew.
All right. Well, you guys got to watch us make some pretty awesome peanut butter cookies. There's no way we're going to finish all of these. We're probably going to be sharing them with friends and family, pack them up maybe. So we appreciate you guys taking the time to hang out with us tonight. Make sure that you watch all of our previous videos coming to you every Thursday.
At 6 p.m.
And you know what to do, TV crew. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week. Peace.